In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Messenger floating video call not working. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first step you'll want to do is just go to the settings, and after you're on settings, navigate to general. So just go to general now and scroll down. There you will see an option called picture in picture. Tap on picture in picture and make sure that you've turned it on. So as it says right there, when you swipe up to go to home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime will automatically continue in picture in picture. So this means it's also works in your Messenger app. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you fix your Messenger floating video call not working. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more.